Yeah, so Langen started the end of 2018, we get to 2019. Set up really to develop just some special bikes with the focus on being built in Britain, you know, and the components manufactured here. The first model is the two-stroke, which we launched. Yeah, so that's this bike here. So we're building 100 of these, and this is a very special bike. I mean, this is one of the only road legal two-strokes for a good few decades. We worked with a company in Italy called Fins to develop the engine. 250, 76 horsepower, fully CNC machine engine. And we built all
made for this bike.
Just made for this bike now, yeah. And we produce all the rest of the bike, design everything in the UK, manufacture everything in the UK. We're making 100. They're all sold out now. And
Does that denote the numbers then? Is it?
That's right. Yeah. So they're all individually numbered, and each one's built for a customer. So you know we can fully customize it. So the 4 bikes that you see today are customer bikes, and they're all completely different in certain respects.
So it's all pre-order then. So
it's all pre-order. So then we'll finish the production of those 100 in summer next year, 2026, and then we'll move straight into producing the Lightspeed, which we're launching at the show now. The Lightspeed's a very different bike, somewhere between sort of a muscle cruiser and a street fighter in terms of geometry and comfort. A very, very good power to weight. We're only building 185 of those, and that's due to there being 185 kilogram weight.
Oh right, okay.
And 185 horsepower. So again, it's about the power to weight.
So who's it sort of aimed at then? Who's the perfect customer? Do you think
the Lightspeed or the two-stroke?
Well, probably, but yeah. So the two-strokes first.
There's a sort of common person ordering the Lightspeed and two-stroke, and they're the people who sort of want something different than everybody else, something that's a little bit special, perhaps something that's manufactured in this country as well, and just showcasing, we appreciate the finer detail of CNC machining and the way we manufacture things.
It's a talking point, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a talking point. It's not for the shy and retiring. Because the guys who have the two-strokes tell us if they turn up at a bike meet, they can't get away for an hour. Admiring the bike, and sort of, it's one of those that once you see the bike, the closer you get to it, the more detail you see coming out. So. There's some collectors and investors. There's limited numbers, and again, it's a very special bike. But the two-stroke, predominantly just two-stroke nuts. People who grew up on them in the in the 70s and 80s, and want to relive that fun and that connection to the bike. The smell, the sound, and this is the only bike you can do so. Well, they're very reliable because what we're doing is applying modern ECU control. We control the two-stroke oil, so we put it exactly where we want it in the engine, and we map it across the rev range as well, so we're using the right amount of oil at any given RPM. So the engine's capable of 95 horsepower, but it's running 76 horsepower, which is a lot for a 250, especially at that weight.
Well, looking at those pipes and that, can't you just start it so we can listen to it?
Are they fuel injected?
The fuel injected, and oil injected as well, yeah.
Right, nice, yeah.
Yeah, I bet they sound immense, do they?
Yeah, I mean, on full song, it sounds like a Grand Prix bike, basically. Yeah. It's amazing.
I was going to say, what two-stroke do you have down in your...
Probably my favourite one was the TZR 125, because it was a sort of jumping from my very first bike, it was CB100, which was probably only had about 6 horsepower in real life, to the TZR. I think it took me a couple of weeks to discover there was a power band there, and then it was like having a new bike again. It was just crazy. Yeah. So I had them both.
Then you're forever looking in your mirrors for the police.
So the Lightspeed, we've sort of gone one step further with everything we learned on the, some of the geometry, the chassis geometry, some of the details we made. We've gone one step further again to build even more in-house. So the touch-screen dash display, all the switch gear we develop ourselves. Lots of the bike we developed from scratch, and that's really so that we can focus on the weight from a blank sheet of paper, and that's how we've been able to achieve 185 kilogram, which sort of blows any other flagship bike from any other manufacturer out of the water at that power.
So there's a new bike this year then, that is it?
It's new bike, yeah. So we're launching it in its production form now. So we launched a concept in 2023. We spent 3 years of development to get to this point now. This what you see here it's a full production bike. Part of the exhaust, which we've just been using on the dyno this week to do some dyno.
Right, excellent. And pre-orders, you've got many in?
Yeah, lots of pre-orders coming. I mean, the great thing is about this bike, this is the Lightspeed bike that's going to take us outside of the UK. whilst we had some orders for the US and New Zealand for the two-stroke, it was always destined really just for UK customers. Whereas the Lightspeed we're offering to US and Europe and other countries. So we're getting loads of orders, inquiries from those places, particularly US as well. So, yeah, it's going really well.
Yeah, brilliant.